Welcome everybody to today's video. We are going to be replacing the front fog light bulb on a BMW e90. This has the Msport front bumper and we're going to talk through how to replace the bulb. So how do I know I need a new fog light bulb in the front? Well, like Knight Rider, it tells me up on the dash when I start the car. That's it. That's the symbol for a failed front fog light. So if you've got that symbol, you know you need to replace your one too. Looks like a fast-moving jellyfish. Okay, so moving to the outside of the car, what I've done is turn the wheels on full lock to the left to gain access to the back of the guard on the right hand side. So what we're looking for is 3 bolts just tucked in there that we need to undo to pull the flaps back. So you're going to need a good socket. As you can see, that one's more rusty than the Terminator's balls in winter. So we're going to need a good sized fit-in socket, and there it is, a tasty 8mm that we're going to use on the extension bar to gain access to undoing those nuts, bolts even. What? Okay, so once done, we're going to pull back the flap, giggity giggity, to expose the rear of the fog light holder. And we're going to be looking for the rear of the fog light bulb itself. We're going to grab that and rotate anti-clockwise, and that should pop out, and we'll be left with the bulb in hand. So this is it. This is the bulb unit, and we just need to undo that clip to pull it from the wiring harness, and then replace with the new one, which is just a reverse process. You just don't want to touch the bulb itself, otherwise you could end up causing some cataclysmic explosion. So be very careful when popping it back in, but you just rotate to the right to lock it in, and then do up all your bolts in that reverse process that we did to take it out. So once done, jump back in the car, fire it up, and just check that the warning light has gone off the dashboard. Checking now, no warning light, which is happy days. We'll quickly whiz round. Yeah, pop them on, of course. Check that it's working. That might be a good idea. Probably a good idea to check the bulb is working before you actually do everything back up, just in case you've been sold a duff one, which can happen, of course. But that's it. So it's working. Bright light, bright light. So super easy, 5-minute job. Replace your bulbs.